cell phone, your driver's license?
Yeah, that's usually where my cell phone goes when I don't have back pockets, so.
If you put it in your bra, at least if you go home with it, you say, oh, this is that money I had, I collected that driver, and you get like this.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry, dude. Back up. I hit somebody.
You better go take care of it, or
I gotta go. I gotta go.
Emily, you alright?
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta call Brian, because I'm in the Jeep.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Where's my phone?
Hello?
I am
Got
so
your
sorry.
insurance and everything?
Yes, give me just a
You're
second.
the fifth woman that's hit that car.
Oh my gosh.
Fifth one,
Hey.
and one of them cost me $25,000.
What?
Oh my god. I just hit somebody.